All right, I wanted to talk a little bit about slappers and planishing by hand. So what a slapper is, if you have a hammer, you have a very small contact patch right here in the center. So you're going to leave little tooling marks and it's hard to get everything blended out. So with a slapper, your contact patch is very long and it comes in, on this one it's about right there, but it's the full length. So you can bridge high spots and low spots. And you can get larger slappers. So with this piece, I have like a T-dolly or a hammer form underneath that I've made. And I'm gonna show you a couple different techniques. Like if you need to move stuff around and kind of rearrange where it's located versus a finish, like a finished planish by hand. So there's a little bit of a high spot here and I'm gonna strike and push that around. So I'm gonna come in at an angle like this and hit. You know, you don't want to come straight in because you could potentially put a dent, so you want to work that this way. So I'll show you that first, and then I'll show you a more fine planishing technique. So that's how you kind of manipulate and push metal. So if you want to do a fine planish, you don't need to hit it as hard because you're just working out the, some minor flaws. So it's pretty much the same concept, but to save time, instead of just going one direction, I like to hit it on a backstroke as well. So it sped up just a little bit from that will be, so, versus this way to. So with your light strikes, you can really speed that up. So those are just a couple slapping techniques that I like to use depending on what I'm doing. And I just thought this would be a real good little short tech tip on different ways to approach things.